Hey, how's it going, everyone? This is Chris from Feldmann Imports. Today we're taking a look at a 2017 C300 4MATIC. This one's black. Underneath the hood is a 2-liter 4-cylinder turbo with 241 horsepower and 273 pounds torque. This one has the luxury line with the Mercedes-Benz emblem on the hood, luxury exterior and interior appearance, 17-inch multi-spoke alloy wheels, black leather interior, a dark linden wood trim, panorama sunroof, C300 4MATIC badging, clean set of floor mats, premium 1 package with blind spot assist, heated seats, memory seats, controls with Bluetooth capabilities, paddle shifters for extra performance, a push start ignition, media display, rear view backup camera, dual climate controls, hard keys for the media display, cup holders, turn wheel for the infotainment center, dynamic selects for the different driving patterns. This C-Class has 63,228 miles, Carfax and service records available online. If you'd like to view more photos of this C300 4MATIC, visit us at feldmanimports.com.